Hey, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be reading the story, The Talented Carpenter. Ted was a skilled carpenter who had built many houses in his town. He was a kind man who always helped those in need. One day he received a call from a woman named Edna. Edna had recently moved into a new house, but she was not satisfied with the way it looked. She asked Ted if he could help her make some changes to it. Ted agreed to help Edna, and they decided to meet at her house the following day. When Ted arrived, he was surprised to see how many things needed to be fixed. The walls were cracked, the floor was stained, and the furniture was outdated. Ted knew that he had a lot of work to do. He started by cleaning the house. He swept the floors, dusted the furniture, and washed the windows. Then he began to repair the walls. He filled in the cracks and sanded them down until they were smooth. He painted the walls a bright shade of blue, which made the house look much more cheerful. Next, Ted turned his attention to the furniture. He sanded and polished each piece until it looked like new. He added some cushions to the chairs, which made them much more comfortable. He even built a new bookshelf for Edna's collection of novels. When Ted was finished, Edna came home to find a house that looked completely different. She was amazed at how much Ted had accomplished in just one day. She thanked him and offered to pay him for his services, but Ted refused. He told her that he was happy to help and that he enjoyed seeing the smile on her face. From that day on, Ted became known as the most skilled carpenter in town. That one act of kindness changed his life as well. Everyone wanted him to work on their houses, and he never turned anyone away. He was always eager to help and always had a smile on his face. And whenever someone asked him why he worked so hard, he would simply say, "I love helping people. It's what makes me feel fulfilled." That's the end of the story, The Talented Carpenter. This story contains many words we've already practiced, including ed, ill, etc. words. You can go to the words practice videos anytime. Click on my channel name and look through the videos. Practice any or all that you'd like to practice. I also hope you try to read along with me when we read these stories. Here's another video that contains 3 stories. Make sure to check it out. And I want to thank you for practicing with me today. You did an awesome job, and I believe you can do it. Practice every day. Also, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. That way you could find me again. And it helps me to know people are liking it, and I will make more. Have a great day. Bye-bye.